How to customize your bike with Amotopart Fairings. So hello everyone, so today's video I will show you guys on how to customize your bike using Amotopart Fairings. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to customize your bike right here in Amotopart Fairings. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the Amotopart website. So to start customizing, what you want to do is just simply go here to the search bar that says search your dream fairing. But for me, I'll just go to the in-stock fairing right here so we can ensure that all the products that we are using are in stock. So yeah, so first what you want to do is just simply select the brand of your bike right here. So let's say I'll just choose a BMW. There you go. Afterwards, just simply select the model of your bike right here. So let's say I'll just use the F750 GS. And then just select the year right here. So just select 2021 and just click on search. And here are the fairing kits right here that are available for the bike that you've entered. So yeah, so once you're here, just simply choose the fairing that you want to buy. So for example, just choose this one right here. Afterwards, once you're done choosing your fairing, there's an option right there at the bottom that says free customize. So there you go. So as you can see, when you choose a fairing, there will be a free customize option right here. So free customize service, change the bodywork color, decals color, move or remove logo, text or graphics, add logo, text or graphics, or redesign to your requirements. So to customize it, all you have to do is order a fairing which fit for your bike model. For example, this one. Afterwards, just email the Amotopart fairing and just tell them your order number, and then just enter the details that you want customized for your bike, and they will now confirm your custom request and then start production. So yeah, so to do that, what you want to do first is just simply buy the fairing that you want. Afterwards, just go to contact us right here. So you can email them right here just by clicking on this. Afterwards, just simply send them your order number and then just tell them the details of your customization, and then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy or customize your bike right here with Amotopart Fairings. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.